the prevailing design trend with smart speakers like the Amazon Echo has been to make them look as minimalist and unpretentious as possible, presumably so they can be placed anywhere in the house. The Raven H, however, looks like it came out of a child's toy cabinet. I love him. It is the result of the collaboration of the Chinese internet giant Baidu and the Swedish technology design firm Teenage Engineering. The Raven H has a colorful stack design that culminates in a tactile, removable and touch-sensitive top panel that displays simple status information through a beautiful LED array. The speaker runs DuerOS, the Baidu conversational AI system, and connects to services such as Baidu Music and iQiyi, a video platform that can be controlled by Raven H on a connected smart TV. Your data for these services is stored in the removable top panel, so you can take them with you, set them up on another person's Raven H and use the speaker as if it were yours. DuerOS only admits Chinese at this moment, a language that I cannot speak. My colleague Angela Chen can, however, come and try the Raven H. The speaker did a very good job of recognizing his voice requests, and although some of the answers took a while to return, that is probably due to the congested Wi-Fi environment of the CES South Hall. You can see our experiences with Raven H in the video above. Although there is no support in English, DuerOS can recognize Western names and proper nouns when making requests in Chinese, which is a complex problem that I encounter with Japanese voice services all the time. Angela got Raven H to play songs by Michael Jackson and Taylor Swift, for example. Another interesting feature that you do not have to speak in Chinese to appreciate is the answer that DuerOS gives after the initial word jidu. The assistant instantly makes sounds of human recognition like which is shown as friendlier than a bloop anonymous.